Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. And in this video, I'm going to show you the complete IPTV setup on Amazon Firestick from start to finish. So, if you're looking to turn your Firestick into a full entertainment hub with live TV, sports, movies, and TV series all in one place, make sure you stay with me until the end because I'll walk you through everything step by step and also show you how to log in using IPTV Smarters with the extreme codes shown on the screen. Now, starting from the Firestick home screen, go ahead and open Settings, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Then open Developer Options and turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. This allows the Firestick to install apps outside the Amazon store. And if Developer Options is not visible, just go to About and click on Fire TV Stick several times until it appears. Once this is done, press back and return to the home screen. Now click on Search and type Downloader. Install the Downloader app and open it. Allow all the permissions it asks for so the app can work properly. Once inside Downloader, enter the code on the screen and press Go. Wait for IPTV. Wait for IPTV Smarters to download, then install it. When the installation finishes, press Done and remove the installation file to keep your Firestick storage clean. Now go to your apps and open IPTV Smarters. When the app opens, you'll see multiple login options. Choose Login with Extreme Codes API. And before entering the details, let me explain what you're getting with IPTV Primus, because this is the service being used in this setup. IPTV Primus provides access to over 22,000 live TV channels from all around the world, including sports, news, entertainment, kids, and premium channels, along with a massive library of movies and TV series that includes new releases, popular shows, and complete seasons, all available on demand. Everything is organized in a simple layout so you can find content quickly, and the service is designed to work smoothly on Firestick with fast loading and stable streaming. Another important thing is their support team, which is available to help you if you ever have questions, setup issues, or need assistance, making it suitable for both new users and experienced IPTV users. With IPTV Prime, yes, you don't need multiple apps or subscriptions because everything is available in one place. Now on the screen, you can see the Extreme Codes details provided for IPTV Prime, and these are the exact details you need to use. In the first field, enter any name such as IPTV Prime US,